Hello, welcome students. You are watching a mathematics class on exercise 14, namely three-dimensional shape. Okay. So first of all, I am giving you an introduction. So in the warm-up section, you have seen on many 3D shape near your surrounding area. Okay. So in our daily life, we can see a globe, Rubik cube, glass, cone. They are all the three-dimensional shapes. Okay, so these 3D dimensional shape that we can feel, we can see, we can touch. Okay, but these shapes do not lie in the same plane. Okay, so what are the three main elements of the 3D shape? So they are face, edge and vertex. So each surface of a 3D shape is called face. तो वन सरफेस जो है उसको हम क्या कहेंगे, फेस कहेंगे. चाहे लेंथ ब्रेथ बोलो, ब्रेथ हाइट बोलो, चाहे लेंथ हाइट बोलो. ओके. द लाइन सेगमेंट वेयर टू फेसेस ऑफ अ 3D shape meet is called an edge. The point where three edges of a 3D shape meet is called a vertex or a corner. So now, some common 3D shape. One is what? Cuboid. So a 3D shape whose length, breadth and height are not in equal length. They are called what? Cuboid. So it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. The faces of a cuboid may be square or may be rectangle. Okay. So now, example of cuboid are matchbox, brick, book, geometry box. These are all the examples of what? Cuboid. So next is cube. So a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal in length is called what? Cube. It also has 6 faces. Suppose 6 faces means I am showing you. Suppose red, yellow, okay, then orange, red, yellow, orange. Okay, this is blue, white and green. So these mean that there are 6 colors. 6 colors means what? It has 6 faces. Okay, and edge means suppose here I want to show you that the edge. Suppose this is edge means suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there are 4. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. So this means that in this way there are how many edges? There are 12 edges. And how many vertices? 8 vertices means suppose 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are on the topmost portion and the below portion. Okay, so there are 8 vertices. Okay, so for example, suppose dice, ice cube or Rubik cube. These are all the example of what? Cube. Okay, so next is the cylinder. A cylinder is a 3D shape bounded by 2 flat surfaces and 1 curved face. It has 2 edges and has no vertex. Okay, so here this is the figure. There is a 2 edge, 1, 2 and 1 curved surface and flat surface on the top and the bottom. Okay, so as for example of cylinder are drum, gas cylinder, soft drink can. These are all the example of what? Cylinder. Next is sphere. A sphere is a 3D shape that is bounded by 1 curved surface. It has no vertex, no edge. Okay, example of sphere means football, orange, globe. They are all the examples of what? Sphere. Next is cone. Cone means a cone is a 3D shape bounded by 1 curved surface and 1 flat surface. Flat surface in the below. This is the below portion. Okay, and this is the curved surface. So it has 1 edge and one vertex. One edge means this one, the circle, and one vertex means on the topmost portion. Okay. For example, a cone means ice cream cone, birthday cap. All the example of what? Cone. Next is prism. A prism, a triangular prism, is a 3D shape in which it is made up of 3 rectangle and 2 triangle. Okay. 3 rectangle and 2 triangles. Okay. It is called what? A prism. It has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. So let me show you a prism. Okay, let me show you a prism. Suppose this is a prism. Okay, so you have to see that suppose here on the top portion, and this is the lowermost portion. This means there are 2 triangle faces, and rectangle face means 1, 2, and lower portion 3. Okay, so this is the 3 rectangular faces, rectangular surfaces. So how many faces are there? 5 faces. 1, 2, and bottom one is 3, and left and right face. I mean triangular faces. Okay, this means 5 faces. How many edges are there? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is 8, and this one is 9. Okay. So next is 6 vertices. How many vertices are there? There are 6 vertices. Suppose 1, 2, 3. 3 corner. And here the 3 corner are there on the topmost and bottom one. Okay, 3 corner are there. So we can say it has 6 vertices. Okay, 3 upper, 3 lower. Clear? So each here the prism has a triangular base. It is called a triangular prism. If the prism has a rectangular base, then it is called a rectangular prism. In the same way, cube and cuboid are also prism. Okay, so cube and cuboid are sometimes referred to as square prism, rectangle. So this one is the rectangular prism. Okay, so next is the pyramid. Pyramid means it is a 3D 3-dimensional shape which has 1 flat base and 3 triangular side faces. The side faces meet at a common point called the vertex of a pyramid. This one is the vertex on the top portion. Okay, and the face is 1, 2, 3 triangular faces, and below one, and here is the edges. Okay, so now, so it has 4 faces. It has 1, 2, 3, and the bottom part 4 faces, 4 vertices. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and topmost 4 vertices, and 6 edges. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and lower one is 4. And side 2. How many edges are there? 6 edges. Okay, so a pyramid which has a square base is called square pyramid. So in this way. Okay, so it has 5 faces, 5 vertices, and 8 edges. Okay, so now net of some 3D shape. Suppose this one is the shape. You have to when you fold it, then it forms a cube or maybe cuboid. Okay, so here you have to see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this means that a cube has 6 number of faces. This means 6 faces means you must be keep in mind that it may be cuboid in shape, or maybe what cube in shape. Okay, so next is the here also 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this means that these are the cuboid or maybe cube. Okay, in the same way, in case of cylinder, there is one top and bottom one is the flat surface. It may be on the same side or maybe on the toward the end side of it. Okay, and this one is what? Cone. So it consists of a part of circle and a circle. So this is the part of circle. I means maybe sector of circle. Okay, and this one is the circle. Okay, so in the same way, tetrahedron. So it consists of 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. When you imagine, when you fold it, then it may be shaped in the form of a tetrahedron. Say, maybe you can say a pyramid type. Okay, so I've already completed this exercise. So you have to learn fill in the blanks, number of faces, edges, and vertices. from this exercise. I hope you have to understand very clearly. So next in the next class I will discuss on the data handling. Okay, see you, bye bye.